Beginning a new business requires planning, making financial choices, performing market research, and obtaining knowledge in areas you never imagined you would learn about. So, here we're presenting to you some of the steps which can guide you for starting a new business. It is essential to note that all business models are unique in some ways, but these are some of the most common steps which apply to all businesses out there. So, here we go. Ask yourself if you really want to start it. There'll be never the best time to start a business. When it gets down to decide if you're willing to start a business, it is more about your mindset rather than timing. However, you should look at the things that retain you from starting and managing it, so you start your business today. Can you manage that? Starting a new business is easy. However, managing it efficiently and turning it into something that earns money, that can be a whole lot tougher if you're not determined enough. Decide the type of business. The next step for starting a new business requires you to discover what type of business you want to start. Is there a particular niche that you're passionate about? Do you want to convert your hobbies into a business? These are just some of the problems you need to question yourself before starting any business. To decide what type of business you want to start, formulate a list of ideas or things you're excited about, and then do the keyword research to discover the trend of your business idea. Is it going upward or downward? Is it stable for a long-term viability? Do market research. After figuring out what kind of business you want to start, it's time to start mapping your business out. Do proper market research to learn more about the business idea. Learn from others, see various case studies, and understand how they've executed it in the past. This will give you a proper foundation and the idea as to how you should proceed forth with your business plan. Set realistic goals and expectations. Most people advance their first business idea with the wrong confidence. If that guy can do it, so can I. You randomly think to yourself. However, what you easily ignore is the fact that he is on his fourth business or he's been working on it for 7 years. The distinction between a successful business and a failed one is perseverance. Do you have what it takes to keep pushing your business further even when you have no buyers or website visitors a month? Consider these and then proceed with your idea. Create a business plan. It is time to formulate a business plan. Decide things like what are the problems your business will solve, what does your business do, your target audience, analyze your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats to your business, and finally formulate a marketing plan and financial plan for your business. Get feedback. It is always better to get others' opinions to improve your business idea and plan even further. Instead of asking for feedback on your business idea, ask them for feedback on a certain element of it. Finally, be sure to get feedback from the right people who can help you to get closer to your business success. Find a way to pay for your business. Although it can be fascinating to just pack everything up and leave your current employment, at this stage you're simply searching with a business idea and are still reliant upon a regular income stream. So avoid quitting your day job unless you've made enough to pay your expenses, taxes, and yourself with 6 months runaway. Pair up with a partner. If you continue doing a day job, you will not have the time to do all things by yourself. So it's better to seek a new partner for this. You can reach out to your friends who have some of the skills and knowledge in that area. You can also attend meetups, go to further events for that matter. Name your business. Getting the perfect business name can be difficult, particularly if you need a .com domain to go along with it. You can try several brand name generators for that matter. The brand name you choose should be appealing, significant, easy to spell, have available usernames and domains. Be concise and try to add your keyword in the brand name. Register your business. For some businesses, you do not have to register it with the government. However, it is always better to start something which has legal documents and agreements in it. It can help you build trust amongst your customers. Decide which type of business model you want to go with. Is it a private limited or partnership, or you simply want to start it as a sole proprietor or as a one-person company? Create your first product or service. There are several products or services you can create to sell to your customers when starting a new business. You can either offer physical products or the services that you can offer digitally. The products you create for your brand will depend mainly on your skill set and your business model. However, you can also offer countless products or services to your customers. Promote your business. The most crucial part of beginning a business is the promotion phase. Promoting a brand in front of your customers will generate sales and will help you make it a successful business model. You can use various social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and more. You can also create a blog section, podcasts, YouTube channels, or use influencers to promote your business to a broad audience even further. Now that you understand how to start your business, there's an impressive experience of building one that awaits you. The first step is always important, but once you start it, you realize that the steps of beginning a new business can be pretty fun. There'll be hurdles along the way, but as long as you advance and learn from your mistakes, there's nothing that can prevent you from getting success. Well, that's all for this video. We hope this video was helpful. So if it was, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Explorified. Also, do press the bell icon. Bye!